Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the vacancy from Puducherry, or formerly it was Pondicherry. Directorate of School Education, Government of Puducherry. Under this vacancy there are 67 posts for lecturer in the various subjects in colleges or schools. So let's see. Here is the website. There are two websites given. If we see, there are two websites given here. At these two websites, detail of these vacancies are given, and if you are willing to fill the form, then you can fill the form by 17th February 2024 till 5:45 at evening. Now let's see the subject detail. In Tamil there are 5 vacancy, in English there are 4 vacancy, in French there are 4 vacancy also, Arabic having 2 vacancy, Malayalam having 2 vacancy, Mathematics having 5 vacancy, Physics having 5 vacancy total, Chemistry having 4 vacancy total, and Botany having 3 vacancy, Zoology also having 5 vacancy, Political Science also having 5 vacancy for lecturer. These all posts are going to be filled on the permanent basis. Home Science also having 2 vacancy, and Commerce having 8 vacancy total. Hindi having 4 vacancy, and History having 5 vacancy, Economics having 2 vacancy, and Geography having 2 vacancy. So there are 2 table. This table also showing PDI, KKL, Mahi, Yanam is also having the local distribution. This table indicating the distribution on the national level category, unreserved category OBC, MBC, EBC, BCM, BT, SC, ST, EWS, PWBD, and salary will be of level 10 at per the 7th CPC, and these all vacancies belongs to UT of India, so it is going to be government job, central government job. And here saying that the vacancy are as reserved above will be distributed among various discipline as given below. Reservation also given here, vertical reservation, horizontal, and this is the table where the category wise distribution of all these posts are given. You can see it by following the link given in the video description, or you can also visit the website from Google. So here are also the detail about the essential qualification, and this vacancy especially going to appoint the local or native of Puducherry who must know the language, either Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, also said in this PDF. And here are qualification. You can see here the lecturer in Tamil, BA in Tamil, and MA in Tamil, and likewise for science subject also BSc and MSc also requires. So, and beside these qualification of candidate must have B.ed or B.ed from any recognized university, and candidate should have studied the particular regional language also, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, at their secondary level. And age limit also given here. Maximum age limit it is said here that maximum age limit shall not exceed 30 years for the general category, and OBC, EBC, MBC, and SC also having the relaxation in their age limit. So you can read it before proceeding for filling the application form. And there is no detail or no specification about there is no saying about the fee for this particular application. So I think there is exemptions for all candidate. There is no fee. Otherwise, when you going to fill the form on the given website, you can see the fee detail. But in this PDF, there is no any mention about the fee. And the last date is 17th February to fill these all application form for all these vacancy, and how to apply and last date of submission. Applicant also have to fill the eligibility criteria, and after filling the application form, applicant has to take the print out of their application form and along with their supporting documents or certificate like category certificate or caste certificate and degree, etc. They have to speed post or register post to the given address to the Directorate of Education, and these speed post or hard copy must reach by 23rd February 2024. So this is